Imagine being able to make any embroidery patch you want. For decades, embroidery patches have been an easy add-on accessory that allows you to showcase achievements, express passions, or interests. Whether it be a Boy Scout badge, corporate logo, or a patch boasting one of your hobbies, patches are the perfect way to add an extra personalized touch to any garment. Hi, I'm John Deere, CEO of the Deere's Embroidery Legacy. If you want to learn how to make your own stunning embroidery patches easily, I have exciting news for you. During our highly anticipated Patches Made Easy webinar, airing live on January 16th, I'll reveal the secret methods our company used for decades to create professional patches for companies like Disney, the Boy Scouts, and Girl Guides. Plus, I'll show you the exact step-by-step methods you need to make your own stunning patches without using any special tools or software. I know patch making can seem intimidating, especially if you've never made a patch before. That's why we made this webinar, to teach people just like you how easily you can start making your own patches. At the Deere's Embroidery Legacy, our new Patches Made Easy webinar feels like we're coming home. From 1958 to 1998, we literally produced tens of millions of patches from corporate to military, licensed sport to Disney, and from Girl Guides to Boy Scouts. For decades, patches were the primary way to promote business, recreation, and culture with embroidery, and they are still just as popular and well-loved today. Our Patches Made Easy webinar will show you the historical approach to create patches and how we have innovated the process, so you can achieve professional results using our tried and tested techniques. In this webinar, we will demonstrate our creative new way to create patches with the same quality and passion my grandparents did over 60 years ago. Drawing from our embroidery roots, we've created a new way to make embroidery patches easier and faster than ever before. This new webinar will show you how. Enroll today and start creating your own custom embroidery patches. I look forward to you joining me and my family for this great event.